In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a Google Meet link for a later meeting. Setting up a meeting link in advance can ensure a smooth experience for you and your attendees. With just a few steps, you'll have everything ready to go. So, let's dive right in. First, head over to your browser and type in the URL calendar.google.com. This will take you to Google Calendar, where all the magic happens. If you haven't already logged into your Google account, you'll be prompted to do so. Once you're in, you'll see a plus icon or a button that says Create, located at the top left of your screen. Click on this to start scheduling your new event. Now that you've begun creating your event, it's time to enter some basic details. Start by giving your meeting a title. This could be anything from Team Catch-up to Project Update, whatever suits your purpose. Next, you'll need to select the date and time for your meeting. Make sure to double-check these details to ensure there's no confusion later on. With the basic information entered, it's essential to generate your Google Meet link. To do this, click on the option that says Add Google Meet Video Conferencing. This step automatically creates your Google Meet link, which will be included with the event details. This link is the key to your virtual meeting room. If you have others who need to attend, you might want to add them now. Although this step is entirely optional, it's often pretty useful when organizing larger meetings. Simply input each guest's email address in the designated field. Google Calendar will take care of sending out the invites for you. It's a seamless way to keep everyone in the loop without having to send separate emails. Once you've crossed all the T's and dotted all the I's, it's time to save everything. To do this, simply click on the Save button. A pop-up may appear asking if you want to send invitation emails to your guests. Confirm this to ensure they receive all necessary details. As the meeting day approaches, you can easily find and share the Google Meet link whenever needed. Just return to the event details. Here you'll see the Meet link you created, ready to be shared or click to join at the right time. That's it. You've now scheduled a Google Meet for later. Scheduling meetings with Google Calendar and Meet is a straightforward process that can save you time and keep your meetings organized. Whether it's a casual catch-up with friends or an important business presentation, having a link ready ahead of time ensures everything runs smoothly. Thanks for tuning in, and happy scheduling.